What's wrong with your eyes, Elijah?
What?
What happened to them?
What?
What happened to your eyes?
They hurt from the onions.
Aww, I'm sorry. Hey, what happened to you?
When I was coming down to get the rest of this stuff, I stepped on the train.
Aww. What happened to you?
All of us
The onions went right
Are you alright
to the
there?
corner where you were standing.
helping
When I walked over there, it was way worse than where I was standing.
He always tries to slide down the stairs.
Yeah, I do it on my back. Yes, that's just funny. They got you. Is this a bionicle? No. Is this a bionicle?